हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ परफ्यूम हॉल शेयर करने वाली हूँ फ्रॉम sentopiaperfumes.com एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर माय शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस एट sentopiaperfumes.com। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So first things first, this is how my box looks like, and all the perfumes that I've gotten today, these are the ones that broke the internet. Like they went viral and they were so hard to get. And sentopiaperfumes.com की मुझे यही बात सबसे अच्छी लगती है, that they just are striving so hard to bring the best of the market, the best of Middle Eastern fragrances, the ones that went viral, to be made available in India. They are directly sourcing from the brands. There's no middleman involved there, and so the prices are also better. If you guys don't know already, I do have like a discount coupon code with sentopiaperfumes.com. That coupon code is called Shriya5, which is applicable on prepaid orders of 2000. So the coupon code is not affiliated. I'm not earning a penny out of it, but I just wanted to collab with them so that you get some benefit when you're shopping. So Shriya5 is the coupon code. Feel free to use it or don't use it. Now the next couple of questions that I've been getting is, how is their customer service? How is your shopping experience at sentopiaperfume.com? And they wanted to know, like, I've been getting a lot of questions on my YouTube videos, like on the comment section and also on Instagram. So I thought maybe like I'll just cover all the generic things in one video so that you get an idea about it. So first of all, sentopiaperfumes.com is a relatively new website because they were operating till now from their Instagram store. So Sentopia Perfume Stories was the Instagram store, is the Instagram store. And now they have also introduced their website. The best part is, Instagram से हमेशा मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ कि मैं वेबसाइट से शॉप करूँ, क्योंकि मैं जब अपनी शॉपिंग मूड में आती हूँ, when I start off in that zone to shop, I really don't want to interact with anyone. I just want to check the website, add to cart, apply the coupon, put the address and make the order. So my shopping experience is best when I don't have to interact with anyone, I don't have to talk to anyone, and I just get my work done and the orders reaches my home. So that's exactly why I personally love shopping more in a website. And that's just the case here as well. So when they launched their website, I was more than happy because I could shop at my will. So that is the first thing. So the site is relatively new and they do not have COD. This is something that was raising a lot of questions to me, a lot of queries to me, because of the trust factor. People say that when COD is not available, that's when they are like skeptical कि ये tried and tested site है या नहीं, इसका सर्विस अच्छा है या नहीं. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्लियर दैट एयर कि COD इसमें नहीं है अभी. दे आर ओनली टेकिंग प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स एंड देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर इट, बिकॉज दे हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड देयर वेबसाइट. COD में बहुत नुकसान होता है. People order, then they refuse to pay, then you have to return the box, and all of that transaction charges are actually bared by the company. So I do understand कि COD is not available, and इससे customer service का actually कोई लेना देना नहीं है, because sentopiaperfumes.com पे मैंने बहुत orders place किए हैं. I'm very happy with their service, very prompt. You will get the WhatsApp updates, you will know where your courier is, you will know that the order is confirmed, you will get the order ID. And plus, if there is any glitch, if there is any problem, they have a customer support number available, they have customer service available. You can just contact and get things done. It's that easy. So मुझे उनका कस्टमर सर्विस बहुत अच्छा लगा. They are very reachable and they are very responsive. मैंने जब भी ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है, ऐसा एक भी बार नहीं हुआ. मैंने 4-5 ऑर्डर किए हैं उनसे, ऐसा एक भी बार नहीं हुआ कि जो परफ्यूम मैंने ऑर्डर किया था वो ऐड टू कार्ट करके पेमेंट करने के बाद वो लोग बोल देंगे कि ये अवेलेबल नहीं है. क्योंकि ये चीज़ momperfumes.com से मेरे साथ हुई है, फ्रैगस्टॉक से मेरे साथ हुई है, फ्रैगाहॉलिक के साथ मेरे साथ सेम एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है. एंड इट्स वेरी अनोइंग व्हेन दिस हैपेंस. तो ये चीज़ sentopiaperfumes.com में नहीं हुई है. So even if COD is not there, even if it is a prepaid order, I don't mind paying the prepaid, getting a good discount on with using my own code, and overall the customer service is good. So all of these websites that I've recently used, be it Fragaholic, be it Mom Perfumes, Fragstock, Paris Corner India, Sentopia, इन पांचों में से मेरी number 1 rated website as of now is sentopiaperfumes.com. So I hope that I have cleared some air. I hope that you are aware of how my shopping experience was at Centopia. Now that I have shared my shopping experience with you guys, let's get started with the haul. I have some amazing perfumes to share with you guys. I'm going to start off with the very first one. This one is Yara Candy. Now Yara Candy has become very famous. In fact, the whole Yara series is famous, but this one is a latest launch from Latafa, and Yara Candy is there to stay because this is such a beautiful, feminine, girly, candy-like bubblegummy fragrance. And look at the color, look at the packaging. It's just super duper cute. And I tried and tested this, and I have my thoughts consolidated. I want to do like a dedicated video on it, which will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. This is again that gorgeous strawberry milkshake, electronic, fruity kind of a fragrance with hints of blast of fruitiness in this. Such beautiful nuances along with candy like feel to it. This is a girly scent, you guys. The color and everything about this bottle is just girly. So this is my first pick. I'm very excited to be talking about this, and watch out my upcoming videos. I'm going to make dedicated review videos on each of these, so you don't want to miss out on that. Now the second one that I have is again a very sweet, again a very famous, a very viral fragrance, and this one is from Paris Corner, and this one is Confection. I have already reviewed this on my channel. This is a kind of like a baked pear bakery sort of a fragrance, very different from Yara Candy. If you're wondering that okay, both may be having the candy vibe to it, no, they are so like they're poles apart. They are different fragrances. The dent on this is crazy. Like I have been using, and every single day, like I've been enjoying this so much. This one full review is already available. I'll put it in the I section here. Also, I'll try to put the link in the description box if you want to see my in-depth thoughts on this one. This is Confection. The third perfume is from Armaf, and this one is Miss Armaf, a chic perfume. Now this perfume has gained a lot of popularity because this one is duping a high-end fragrance. This is such a gorgeous perfume. This is fruity, but it also has nuances of patchouli, makes it woody, makes it mature. This is the kind of fragrance which is very sexy, perfect for date night, perfect evening wear. This is the kind of fragrance that you can actually wear in daytime and transition it to night. Such a gorgeous one and such an amazing one. The DNA is amazing. It's a very well-known DNA. I'll put the picture of what it is duping right here, and again a very amazing kind of like a fruity, mature, woody scent. The next perfume that I have, and when I say that this has truly broken the internet, I'm not kidding. This one is Latafa Teriac. Like Latafa Teriac had gained a lot of popularity. For the longest time it was not available in India, and finally we have it. Finally I got it. Finally the dent is there. This one is a pear forward fragrance with lots of florals and citrusy notes to it. This has a gorgeous packaging. Like it just looks very beautiful, very luxe. It just has a vibe of its own, and this is a very different pear forward fragrance that I don't have anything in my collection that smells like this. In the opening it does feel sharp to me, like it just kind of hits the nose in the initial spray. Then I realized that this needed maceration because I just felt that it was not like the perfume was not properly cooked. It just needed more maceration is what I felt, and I kept it for maceration, and then I took it out, and then I started using it, and then I fell in love with it. Like this fragrance has taken me a while to grow on me, but after that you can see the dent that I've given. Like I've been literally using this. I'm even thinking to use this as a birthday scent because my birthday is just around the corner, and on 26th I will be celebrating my birthday. So I was thinking maybe this would be the perfume that I want to wear on my birthday because this is strong, this is potent. This is a very sharp fragrance in the start, but once it's settled down, the dry down is beautiful on this one. Has a very strong white floral woodiness and some hints of kind of this baked pear effect. Kind of has a similar, not similar, but sort of a DNA which is similar to La Belle. from Jean Paul Gaultier. So this one is Teriac. It is sexy, it is mature, and this is certainly growing on me. Again, wait for the full review. I will share every ounce of detail about this one. Now the last perfume, which is my personal favorite. I know I'm saying this about all the perfume that I'm showing in this haul today because all are so good. Yeah, I don't know how these Middle Eastern fragrances are making it happen, but one banger after the other basically. And the next perfume that I have is Lattafa Eclair. Guys, I finally found it. I finally have my hands on it. Lattafa Eclair was a very tough nut to find. I have struggled so much to find this perfume, and finally I got it from scentopiaperfumes.com. Extremely happy on getting this one. This one is said to be dupe to Bianca Latte from Giardini di Toscana. I really wanted this one because I am a sucker for gourmand fragrances, and this one is said to be one of the best gourmands of 2024, and I couldn't agree more. I am in love with this fragrance. This is such a nice kind of like a milky, biscuity, buttery, dovey kind of a fragrance. The milkiness, the powderiness, everything is just so prominent on this one. Yes, there is some similarity to Caramel Cascade, Tuscan Caramel Cascade from Paris Corner, India, but this one I feel is a more enhanced version of that. It's more sweeter, it's more powdery, it's more stronger, and overall just has more of that milky lactonic vibe to it. Like, we add this Milkmaid to our like any sweet dish that you're preparing, you would put that Nestle ka Milkmaid. This just reminds me of Milkmaid. So more than bakery, it's more like a Milkmaid, milky lactonic fragrance for me, and I absolutely love this one. So guys, that completes my overall haul from scentopiaperfumes.com. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Reviews will be upcoming soon, and overall my experience with Scentopia till now has been excellent. All the 4 or 5 orders that I've placed have gone through smooth as butter, and that's what I like. I like the shopping experience, I like the website, I like that the products are authentic, I love the customer service, and overall they are very responsive. So this is the kind of website that I will recommend without thinking twice. My rating on this website is 5 out of 5. My rating on the fragrances that I've got is 10 out of 10. Absolutely love these. Stay tuned for the reviews, and I'll be back very soon with more content. If you haven't, then subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. Do like this video so that I'll be motivated to bring more perfume hauls from Scentopia. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.